Google has finally released Android Auto 13.6, bringing much-needed relief to users who have been experiencing a host of issues with the previous version. The update, which is rolling out gradually, is primarily focused on fixing bugs and improving overall stability. Bug fixes. The primary goal of Android Auto 13.6 is to address the numerous issues reported by users, including problems with WhatsApp, Google Maps, Spotify, and voice commands. Gradual rollout. As with previous updates, Android Auto 13.6 will be released gradually to ensure a smooth rollout process. No official changelog. While Google has not released an official changelog, user reports and forum discussions suggest that the update is primarily focused on bug fixes. Specific issues. Some users may still encounter specific issues, such as connectivity problems with certain car models or wireless connection drops on Samsung devices. Update to the latest version. To resolve the most common issues, users are advised to update to Android Auto 13.6 as soon as it becomes available. Enable automatic updates. Enabling automatic updates will ensure that users always have the latest version of Android Auto installed. Overall, Android Auto 13.6 is a positive step forward for the platform, addressing many of the issues that have been plaguing users in recent weeks.